Welcome to my channel, IIT Foundation in Maths for 6th class students. Chapter 8, Geometry. We are solving the problems in the exercise. First concept, test your concepts. We have already solved 6 problems and today we start from 7th one. The angle between the hour's hand and the minutes hand of a clock at 6 o'clock is options: right angle, acute angle, straight angle and obtuse angle. The angle between hour's hand and minutes hand at exactly 6 o'clock, the at exactly 6 o'clock, the hour's hand shows 6 and the minute's hand shows 12. Therefore, the angle between hour's hand and the minute's hand is a straight angle, that is 180 degrees. So the option C is correct. The angle between hour's hand and minute's hand at exactly 6 o'clock is a straight angle. Next, 8th one. Which of the following pairs of angles are supplementary? A pair of angles is said to be supplementary if the sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degrees. So 0 plus 180, the first option, 0 plus 180 is equal to 180. Therefore, this pair is a straight angle. So this is the correct option. But let us test the other ones also. 90 and 90. 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. Therefore, this pair is also supplementary. 120 and 60. The sum is 180 degrees. Therefore, this pair of angles are also supplementary angles. Therefore, all the above is the correct answer because options A, B and C are all correct. Therefore, the correct answer is all the above. Is dash 2, 3, 4 or 6. 2 lines A, B and C. Let this is the line AB and this is another line CD. So they intersect a point P. 4 angles were formed. So these two, 1 and 2, the angles 1 and 2 are a pair of adjacent angles. Let this angle be 3 and this angle be 4. The angles 2 and 3 are another pair of adjacent angles. 3 and 4 are another set of adjacent angles and 4 and 1 are another set of adjacent angles. Therefore, altogether 4 pairs of adjacent angles are formed. They are 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 and 4, 1. So when two lines intersect at a point, 4 pairs of adjacent angles form. Therefore, option C is correct. Next question, matching. So there are column A and column B. In column A, pair of angles were given. In column B, ratio of the angles were given. So first one, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles means when two straight lines intersect each other, the angles which are opposite, these two angles are called vertical opposite. Similarly, these two are vertically, another pair of vertical opposite angles. And the vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore, the ratio of vertically opposite angles is 1:1 because they are equal. The ratio is 1:1. Therefore, here yes, 1:1. So, yes is correct. Next, 120 degrees and its supplement. Supplement means 180 minus this angle. 120 degrees and 60 degrees are supplementary angles. So for 120 degrees, 60 degrees is its supplement. Therefore 120 degrees and its supplement is 60 degrees. Therefore ratio of 120 and 60 is 2:1. 61 is 60, 2 is 120. Therefore, the ratio is 2:1. So, B, the ratio is 2:1. Here, 2:1, P. Next, 30 degrees and its complement. 30 degrees and its complement. Two angles are said to be complement when the sum is 90 degrees. So 30 degrees and its complement. Its complement will be 90 minus 30, which is equal to 60. Therefore 30, its complement 60. The ratio is 30:60, that is equal to 1:2. 1:2 Q. So the ratio of 30 degrees and its complement is 1:2. Next, a straight angle and a reflex angle which is 60 degrees more than the straight angle. Straight angle means 180 degrees. Straight angle is 180 degrees and another angle is 60 degrees more than the straight angle. An angle which is greater than the straight angle is called a reflex angle. So here straight angle and a reflex angle, and this reflex angle is 60 degrees more than the straight angle. So straight angle is 180 degrees, 60 degrees more than this is equal to 240. 180 plus 60 is equal to 240. Therefore straight angle and the reflex angle which is 60 degrees more than the straight angle means 180 is to 240. So 6 3s 18, 6 4s 24. Therefore its ratio is 3:4. So R. So thus we can find the ratios of the pairs of the given angles.